Hey boat owners, ever have trouble finding the right parts for your boat? I get it, it can be a real pain. Taking care of your boat should be fun, but you need the right stuff. Finding parts for older boats can be super tricky. It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Whether you need special zinc anodes or that little plastic edge guard, having the right parts makes a huge difference. So how do you make it easier? First, check out stores near you that sell boat stuff. Places like Shiptech Marine Ltd. Their website, shiptech.ca, is a great place to start. They have a special team that can find what you need in just one day. That's right, no more waiting forever. But wait, there's more. It's also important to learn how to find parts yourself. That can really make a difference. Start by looking at different online stores that sell boat parts. Websites like Marine Parts, Source or Wholesale Marine are super helpful. And don't forget about online groups. Places like the Hull Truth or Boating Forum let you talk to other boat owners. They've probably had the same problems as you and can give you some great advice. Taking care of your boat doesn't have to be hard. With the right tools, a little know-how, and some help from local stores and online groups, you'll be out on the water in no time. So whether you need a quick fix or a long-term solution, remember these tips. Keep your boat in great shape and have fun on the water. If this video helped you, please like, comment and subscribe for more boating tips. Happy sailing!